Odeon, Leicester Square, Llundain. Wi yma ar y carpet coch ar eich rhan chi i drio gwrdd â rai o ser. Un o ffilmiau mwyaf flwyddyn, ie.
Sweeney Todd, the Demon Barber of Fleet Street.
Fel chi weld, miloedd a miloedd o fans yma i weld dyn yn benodol yn y glaw. Rhywbeth Phil? Na. Johnny Depp? Mae'r ffilm wedi selio ar sioe gerdd hynod lwyddiannus gan Stephen Sondheim. Johnny Depp sy'n chwarae'r brif gymeriad, sef Sweeney Todd, barbwr gwallgo sy'n dial ar bobl am fod yn y carchar ar gam am 15 mlynedd. Fel nes i sôn yn gynharach, mae Sweeney Todd wedi selio ar sioe gerdd. Ac yn sioe cerdd, maen nhw'n canu pob gair yn ddramatig. Drychwch ar y glaw, pobl yn sefyll. Sorry. Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp, ser yn y ffilm. Mae'r lle di mynd yn wallgo. Mae wedi bod mor brysur. Ond dwi'n gwylio un o 5 rwa. Ed, can you tell me a bit about your role in the film?
I played Toby. He's a very mixed up character, had quite a horrible life really, so yeah, not a very pleasant part to play.
But it was a good laugh doing the film, would you say?
Oh, it was great fun, working with some very funny people, especially Sasha. Great fun.
Yeah, what was it like working with Johnny Depp as well?
It was a big surprise. I was expecting the big movie star type, but no, he was very down to earth and very polite. Even came over and said hi to Mum, which was lovely.
How did you get involved in the film?
I did National Youth Music Theatre, and from there I managed to get scouted to do one of the auditions.
Okay, and what's next for you?
At the moment, just schoolwork, but I'd love to do another film, which would be amazing.
Okay then, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Best of luck with the film.
Thanks.
Thank you. How did you get involved in the film?
I was sort of up for it, and then I had to do what everybody else did. I believe even Mr. Depp had to prove that they could sing. They knew what the team evidently knew of me and was interested, but I had to prove I could sing, so I had to go in my leotard and tights and leg warmers.
And the jazz hands?
Yeah,
the jazz hands come out?
Clutching me bottle of water, and had to do a little number.
Okay.
All I did actually was sing my song with the musical director. And he said, "What were you worried about? That's all right." And then I got the job.
Okay. What was it like working with such a great cast? You're part of a great cast.
Well, I worked with a couple of them before. I worked with Alan, and obviously in Harry Potter, Rickman and Helena I worked with ages ago. We did a sketch in the Real Sex Show. Do you remember that? Right. About 15 years ago. Yeah. But I'd never worked with Johnny and the younger cast, so it was a lovely feeling on it. And Sasha, it was a real nice. Tim Burton is not only a genius, he's a really nice guy, and he has a wonderful atmosphere, and he has a vision, but he doesn't. You always feel like you're collaborating, not like you're being told what to do. So he expects you to bring something to it, you know.
Okay, and you brought it.
Yes, I did.
Have you seen the finished film yet, or is this going to be the first time tonight?
I haven't seen it. No, I'm really looking forward to it.
Okay. We mentioned on the top, we are Wales. Basically.
You are Wales.
Have you got any Welsh in you?
No, my dad was evacuated to Wales in the Second World War from the East End, from the south of London.
Okay.
He was worked like a dog.
Can you do a quick Welsh accent at all?
Oh no, I don't think so. I don't want to do that.
Timothy, thank you very much. Lovely to meet you. Hi Jane, you okay?
Yeah.
If I can start off by saying you look amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, are you cold?
I'm really not. I probably am, but I don't feel it because I'm just so excited about all this.
Yeah? Is this your first premiere?
I went to the New York one of Sweeney Todd.
How was that?
Not as exciting as this.
No?
No, there's so much more buzz and excitement here.
At least it stopped raining.
Yeah.
What was it like working with Johnny Depp, Tim Burton and the
It was
cast
wonderful.
members, yeah?
Amazing experience.
Yeah?
I couldn't ask for a better start to my career, really, you know.
This is your first film, yeah?
Yeah, it's first job, really.
Start at the top. What's next
Where do you
for you?
go from there?
Yeah, exactly. What's next for you?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
I'll have to say, just audition and hope
Okay,
I
then.
get something else.
Best of luck.
Thank you so
Enjoy
much.
the film. Lovely to meet you.
Christopher Biggins.
How are
are you?
Lovely to meet you.
Nice to see
Ridgen
you.
from Wales, Uned5 from Wales.
Oh,
So.
lovely Wales. I'm going to Cardiff next week.
Yeah, why?
I'm going to see my friend Leslie Joseph in pantomime.
All right,
Cardiff.
because you're not in pantomime this year.
No, so I'm seeing lots of pantomimes.
So, okay, congratulations on being King of the Jungle as
Thank
well.
you very much indeed.
How's your life changed since then?
Well, you can tell by tonight. They scream. I mean,
They're all here to see you,
I know,
because
it's fantastic. It's really been wonderful, really good. But I'm so excited about tonight.
Yeah?
Tim Burton, I think, is the most wonderful director, and I think that Stephen Sondheim is the greatest writer of musicals. And look at the cast.
Yeah, Sacha Baron Cohen,
Oh.
Johnny Depp.
Johnny Depp, though, is my hero.
Yeah, would
You said heroine.
don't say that. No. He plays a barber,
I know.
Sweeney Todd. Would you let Johnny Depp shave you? I don't know where that came from.
I think I probably would.
Can I teach you a bit of Welsh before you go?
Yes.
Our motto on the programme is smile, it's Friday night, right?
Right.
Gwenwch,
Gwenwch,
mine,
mine,
nos Wener.
nos suena.
Gwenwch, mine, nos Wener.
Gwenwch no mas suena.
Biggins, thank you so much.
Pleasure, thank you.
Excellent, enjoy the film.
I'm half Welsh.
Are you really?
Yeah, absolutely.
From where?
My mother was born in Treforest, Pontypridd.
I am from the Valleys myself.
There you
I'm
are.
from the Valley. So it's an honour to meet you. Can you tell me just quickly about your role in the film, please?
Judge Turpin, I'm the person that Sweeney is trying to knock off.
Yeah, and was it a great laugh doing the film?
Well, we did have laughs, but actually it's, sometimes it's like climbing a mountain,
Yeah.
and to put it on film means that the smile would freeze on your face when you realise what you're actually doing. So a lot of concentration, but great material, and it's a wonderful film.
And a great cast as well.
That's true.
Part of a great cast, so brilliant. Thank you very much.
All
I won't
right.
keep you, but diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr.
Oh, excellent. Can you tell me a little bit about your role in the film?
I play Lucy Barker, which is Johnny Depp's wife at the beginning.
Yeah.
And then something happens to me. It's a really exciting show. I mean, it's visually wonderful, and it was just a great privilege to be in it.
Was it tough playing Johnny Depp's wife, or was that a dream role for yourself?
No, I was really dreading it. He was a wonderful man.
Okay, and what was it like working with such a great director in Tim Burton?
Oh, incredible. I mean, it was enough for me to even be in a movie at all. This is my first movie, but to get to work with Alan Rickman and Helena Bonham Carter and Johnny Depp and Tim Burton, wonderful.
And what's next for you?
I'm doing a play with Kevin Spacey and Jeff Goldblum at the
Wow.
Vic. Yeah, I know. I was like, wow.
So onward and upwards.
Hope so.
2008, Happy New Year.
As long as I keep working, doesn't matter.
Okay, brilliant.
I'd love to keep just getting new jobs.
Best of luck. Diolch yn fawr, which is Welsh, but thank you very much.
Thank you very much. What is it?
Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr.
There you go. Lovely. Thank you. Cheers.
Gethin's old show.
There you go. See, you know.
And Rodri, didn't Rodri?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
looking for
know.
us today,
And
but-
Sarah.
Yeah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, Rodri.
Sarah Elgan?
Yeah, Sarah Elgan. I know.
Do you know? Have they taught you any Welsh?
I know Llanfa, Pwythgwyn Gwydgolger, Windrobl, Llantysilio, go, go, go.
Perfect. Are you looking forward to seeing the film?
I am looking forward to seeing the film, so I might go in there because it's cold out here.
Okay. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.
Oh, what's that?
Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Diolch yn fawr.
Na fe, Ridgen Bourne Phillips, Odeon Leicester Square, Llundain, premiere Sweeney Todd, the Demon Barber of Fleet Street. Never forget, never forgive. Sweeties and that, apples and pears, dog and bone. Nice one, brother.